Artificial intelligence, once the realm of sci-fi dreams, is now at the center of a global power struggle, and this week it entered the halls of the US Capitol. The House of Representatives is officially examining the intensifying competition with China over AI models. Not gadgets, not apps, but the very brains behind them, models that learn, adapt, and increasingly decide. This isn't just about chatbots or self-driving cars. This is about national security, economic supremacy, and the balance of power in the 21st century. Because AI models are becoming the new nuclear codes, only quieter, faster, and potentially far more disruptive. US lawmakers are waking up to a sobering truth. China is catching up fast, and in some areas it's pulling ahead. From facial recognition to military simulations, China's state-backed push into AI is turning heads and triggering alarms. What makes this hearing different is the specificity. The focus is no longer broad strokes of AI leadership. It's about the underlying models, the core algorithms that make everything from autonomous weapons to surveillance systems work. If the hardware is the skeleton, these models are the brain. And that shift in tone, it matters. Policymakers are now talking about tangible responses, pouring more federal funds into AI research, building strategic alliances between government, academia, and industry, and, perhaps most controversially, tightening export controls to prevent China from accessing cutting-edge AI systems. Some are calling it a tech Cold War, others a necessary step to protect American leadership in a rapidly evolving world. Either way, one thing is clear, this hearing is not a blip. It's part of a broader pattern, from 5G to semiconductors to quantum computing. The US-China rivalry is drawing new battle lines, and AI might be the most critical front yet. But here's the deeper question. Can the US outpace a government that treats AI as a matter of national destiny? Can a democracy innovate faster than an authoritarian regime can mandate? That's what this House hearing is really about. It's not just a briefing, it's a warning shot. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on tech, geopolitics, and the future of power, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more coming.